Hi, I'm Liz from Leisuredays Insurance. Damp and mould in a static caravan can be a scary prospect, especially when locking up your holiday caravan in the colder, wetter months. If left untreated, damp can cause significant damage to the structure of a static caravan, and it can lead to health issues for some if they're constantly breathing in musty air and if mould starts to develop. We're here at Holborn Cotswolds to bring you this video, which will cover everything you need to know about preventing and treating damp and mould in your holiday caravan. So let's get started with how to identify damp. Finding damp can be a simple process of following your senses. If you smell a musty, stale odour, these can indicate hidden moisture problems. It's quite easy to visually identify damp and mould, and it's important to regularly inspect your caravan's interior for those telltale signs. Damp can form in areas around windows and doors, bathroom extractor fans or vents, or if you have faulty seams or seals, or even blocked guttering. Areas where air circulation is low and condensation has been allowed to accumulate can also cause damp spots to form. Look for water stains, peeling wall boards or discoloured patches on walls or ceilings. Touch the area, and if it feels cold or wet, it's likely you have found the problem area. In extreme cases, the surface might be spongy. If you have any soft furnishings in close proximity, including curtains and carpets, pull these away to inspect further. Unpleasant mouldy spots can form in clusters next to a damp area. If you have touched any damp or mouldy areas, wash your hands in hot soapy water. Poor ventilation can trap moisture inside and lead to a build-up of condensation and ultimately damp. Making sure all rooms are well ventilated and heating temperatures are consistent, particularly when cooking and showering, will help to prevent condensation and damp. Ventilate your caravan by regularly opening vents and windows, as this will help the air to circulate. As we've already mentioned, proper ventilation is key, as well as keeping your static caravan clean. When cooking, use lids on pans, and if you have an extractor fan, keep it turned on whilst cooking and for a little while after. Keep internal doors into the bedroom area closed and open a window for ventilation. Wipe excess moisture off windows when it starts to build up, or consider investing in a window vacuum cleaner. When showering, keep the bathroom doors closed, and if possible, leave windows open to let moisture escape. It's worth installing an extractor fan if you don't already have one, and leaving it on for a while after you've finished showering, because this will help to draw out any excess moisture. If it's cold outside, you could open the bathroom window fully for 10 minutes after showering, but keep the bathroom door closed to reduce heat loss from the main living area of your caravan. Make sure kitchen and bathroom extractor fans are working efficiently, and regularly clean the filters and grills. Periodically clean them from the outside and make sure they're not blocked. Before you close up your caravan for winter, make sure any lingering condensation on walls and windows is wiped down and that the carpets are clean and dry. Bathrooms are likely to accumulate more damp than any other room, as they're high moisture areas, so remove towels, fabrics and bath mats. Disconnect the shower head and drain down the sinks and toilets. Our video on how to drain down a static caravan shows all the steps you need to take. Make sure vents in this room are not blocked too. Check outside the caravan and inspect your caravan's roof, seals and windows for leaks, and quickly repair any damaged seals. If needed, remove any leaves that are stuck inside the guttering and give the outside of the caravan a good wash down before closing for winter. Inside, arrange furniture in a way to maximise airflow. Make sure furniture is pulled away from the edges and that mattresses are clean, bedding is removed, and towels, especially damp ones, are taken away until the next season. In areas that don't get much air circulation, use things like moisture traps. These will actively pull damp out of the air. These are ideal for the backs of wardrobes and cupboards and under beds. A mains-powered dehumidifier will extract moisture out of the air, and these are effective in getting damp levels down fairly quickly. But bear in mind they will only be effective if your caravan is to remain connected to mains electricity for the winter. Leave internal and cupboard doors open to allow air to circulate, as well as fridge and freezer doors. Finally, if you're leaving your curtains open, make sure they're not touching the windows. If you do find damp and mould, here's how to remove it. Mix 1 part bleach to 4 parts water and using a spray bottle spray over the affected area. Then gently scrub to remove the mould. It's worth wearing a mask when carrying out this task. Once gone, wipe away the bleach mixture and dry with a soft cloth. Some people then use clove oil mixed with water and spray the area, leave it for 20 minutes and then wipe dry. Cleaning mould away is not a permanent solution though. Finding the cause of the mould is far better than treating it, so investigate further where this might be coming from. If you've had any soft furnishings in close proximity to damp or mould, including curtains, wash these in your washing machine or hand wash with a standard washing powder or capsule plus 1 cup of white vinegar per load of laundry. The vinegar will remove any trace of a damp smell. If you do have mould on fabrics or clothing, wash these at a higher temperature to kill off the bacteria. Don't hesitate to call in the experts if you can't find the cause of damp or mould. Use either the maintenance team at your park or an independent engineer to find and fix the issue. Catching damp early will save you thousands of pounds in damage, so as soon as you spot it, get some expert advice. So there you go, we hope you found our tips on preventing and treating damp in your static caravan useful. Remember, it really is important to regularly inspect your caravan's roof, windows, seams and seals for potential leaks, as damage caused by damp will not be covered by your static caravan insurance policy. See our video on how to check your seams and seals. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and share, and may your static caravan stay mould and damp free. Thanks for watching, and a huge thank you to Hobe and Cotswolds for allowing us to film in this static caravan.